Here are a couple tips and ways of playing a Chicago blues style shuffle rhythm. I'm using a guitar pick and I'm playing all downstrokes on these. The first way is to use right hand muting, so the side of my hand is going to rest lightly on the strings. That gives it a bit of a rhythmic percussive drive to the sound. With a variable downward pressure, you can mute more or you can mute less by letting your hand up a little bit. The second way is to play unmuted. Okay, so that's really a different sound, unmuted. But what I'm still doing is assisting in my muting using my pick and my left hand index finger. All right, so first of all, I'm putting my pick back on the low A string like so to control the ring. It's actually cutting off the sound to stop that continuous ring. My left hand index finger is planted right now on the E note, and I'm letting off the pressure simultaneously with that pick muting. So that helps to control the sound a little bit. To keep things from getting, too many overtones in the ring. All right, so those are a couple ways of working on your Chicago blues shuffle rhythm.